First of all, I would like to thank our Vice Principal Dr. Z. Abdul Rahim Saab for nominating me for this program. Because I was not known that I have been nominated for this program by yesterday evening. So I would like to thank my Vice Principal, Principal Sir, and the competent authorities for conducting and organizing this type of programs. And coming to the point for regarding organizing and conducting this event, it was very successful event. As my seniors just told that even I was in the impression that this is going to be very hectic and boring, but the way the trainers have engaged all of our participants and the inclusive mode of their training sessions was very wonderful. And learnings, I would say that the learning pedagogy was learning by doing. It was not simply reading out the PowerPoint presentations or giving us a lengthy task, but it was a pure implementation of our new learning guidelines that we have been learning in different sessions. It was actually learning by doing, through which particularly I have learned a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you.